Alright guys, we're having a new week and new donation. Thank you for everybody who did donation in the last couple of days, couple of weeks, especially for the couple of YouTubers. You know who you are. I will not mention your name. I just want to say that I'm the only YouTuber who is helping, and thank you for everybody who joined this cause, because this is something what every one of you should do. Remember that they are people like all of us who are born in very poor area. We don't choose where to be born. Sometimes life is shitty, and let's help as much as we can for the people who life has been unfair. Thank you for everybody who is watching. Just watch a couple of minutes. That's all it's take. Thank you.
No,